Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're talking about another file feature called cut and paste. Now, if you look at our videos, we have already online a video for copy and paste, which is a feature of taking a file, making an exact copy of that file somewhere else. Cut and paste is taking a file, a folder, or a picture, or whatever you want to take in your computer, and you actually erase it from the original place and put it somewhere else. So the cut and paste, if you want to visualize a little bit, comes from all the older generation and even some young generation. When they were young, they would cut out, for example, people out of catalogs, and they would just glue them on a piece of paper and make a montage of these characters taken out of newspapers. So that's the equivalent of a cut and paste. So you physically take something from somewhere and just put it at another place, so it's not available at the original spot anymore. So how do you cut and paste a file? If you use the File Explorer, we'll go into the Documents folder here, and I'll take my DSP40 file here, and I want to take it out of there and put it on my desktop. So I already have it on my desktop, so I'll just, to give you an idea, I'll just erase it from here. So let's just delete it from here. So suppose I don't have it on my desktop and it's in my Documents folder, so I will go into the Document folder. And there's, of course, 3 ways to do it. Probably even more, but these are 3 most popular in Windows 8. If you don't have the ribbon at the top, I would suggest that you get the ribbon. And to get the ribbon in the File Explorer, on the upper right corner, just below the red X, there's a little arrow pointing down. Just click on that and you'll see the ribbon come out. Click on the file you want to cut, and then go at the top and you'll have the Move To option. So this is going to move this thing from there to another place. And I'll just click Move to Desktop. And you've seen it disappear magically from my Documents folder. But if we go on the desktop, you now have the DSP that I've just moved. It's right here. I'll just put it out of the way so that you can see it better. It's there. It was copied. Actually not copied, but cut from a place that was the Documents folder and was sent to the desktop. Now suppose I have it on the desktop, I don't want it there anymore, and I want to actually put it in my documents. So what I'll do is I'll use the second way to do it. I'll right click on the file and use the cut option. And that's where most people get lost. They say, well, nothing happened. Well, yes, something did happen. The computer's waiting for you to do something. And you'll notice that it works because if you look at the color of the file, it's pale. You've seen that it's kind of faded out compared to the other icons and files on my desktop. That means, okay, it's chosen to be cut and there's something to do with it, but it's waiting for me to decide. So I'll go into the Documents folder and I'll right click anywhere on my screen, and there I'll have the Paste option. And here the DSP40 file is back there. If I go on my desktop, it's gone. I cut from the desktop and I pasted into my Documents folder. That's the second way, with the right click. Third way, we'll reverse again. Take it from the Documents folder and put it on my desktop again, but with the keyboard shortcuts. The cut on the keyboard shortcut is Control X, and the paste Control V. So I'll choose the file, click on it, And once it's chosen, I will CTRL X, Control X. You'll notice that it works because the icon, or the little icon that you have of the file, is faded out compared to the other icons. It's waiting for me to do something. So I'll go into the desktop of my computer and I'll do Control V, which is the paste option, to put it back on the computer desktop. So Control C, Control V, Control X, Control V, and here you get the file back. And if I go back to the original documents folder, you'll see that it's not there anymore, because I cut from one place to paste it at another place. So this is basically the three ways that you have to copy or cut. In this case is cut a file. So take it out of one space, put it into another place, and the original file is actually gone. So all you have to do is either three methods: either to use the Move To option at the top of the File Explorer window, either you right click on the file and you choose Cut, and then right click at the area where you want to put the file and choose Paste, or you can just click on the file and use the keyboard shortcuts Control X to cut and Control V to paste it wherever you want in the computer. So that is the cut paste option in Windows, and the only difference in Windows 8 is the fact that the File Explorer ribbon helps you do more than in the previous versions of Windows. So if you like these videos and want to learn more on Windows 8, maybe you got that new machine, well, click the subscribe button. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. And maybe you have that new machine and want to learn a feature, you can also ask for a video. We'll put online for you. And take a look at our other videos. Lots of videos showing you how to do almost everything in Windows 8, and more videos coming up. So really, this is going to be a great place to be. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye-bye.